If a person truly fasts in the right way, with all its requirements, inshallah, he has to achieve all these objectives. But when we see around us, all of the people fasting don't achieve these objectives. Why? Whenever a person does an act, it has got two components. One is the method, and second is the objective. For example, we human beings, we eat. Why do we eat? The first thing is the act of eating, and second thing is why do we eat? What is the objective of eating? As far as the act of eating is concerned, it contains 4 parts. One is making the morsel. Number 2 is putting in the mouth. Number 3 is masticating it, that's chewing it. Number 4 is putting it down the throat. But the goal, the objective is to make our health. The objective is to live. People eat for the health reason, mainly, and to live. But along with the main action, there are ancillary things. There are associated things attached, which, if it's not done, then the objective will not be achieved.